Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This side Vani. And I was actually debating this video for so long, like it's not even funny because I'm reviewing something very crazy today. Like it's Euphoria, okay? And when I speak about Euphoria, the first two seasons, if you have seen it or no, they were okay. Okay, it was like high school. They were not showing so much violence. They were not showing so much into it. But season three, my god, like I think every episode I'm just like with my head in my hands, like what the hell am I watching? But seriously, what am I watching? What, like right now also, like what am I reviewing? Like I have no idea what I just watched. So keep in mind that the finale of this season, or like this, I think they're ending the show, but I'm just gonna say this season, it's going to be coming on next Sunday. So I'm just reviewing it before the finale to do my predictions too, like what's gonna happen in the finale. So now, um मेरे को यूफोरिया की स्टोरी लाइन बहुत पसंद थी when it was in season 1 and season 2. The minute the season 3 came out, I watched it. Okay, I was really excited for it. Like, this is a show that I had watched. It would be so fun. I love it and all of that. I watched this. I watched this show, and my gosh, I think the first episode itself, I was just like, I felt like vomiting and I felt like gagging. I don't know if y'all felt that. Malab, what are these scenes? It's so unnecessary, but they just wanted to make it cinematic. I don't know what that meant and why they showed all these scenes where Rue. So Rue is the main character, guys. She's in there basically, and that's the only reason why I'm even watching this show. And Nate Jacobs, okay. His real name is Jacobs too, so you know just works out best. So because of these two actors, I really started watching this show. And basically, Rue, aka Zendaya, in this scene, she's sitting with another girl. Her character's name is Faye. I don't know the actor's name. I'm so sorry, but both of them are sitting there, and they take these balls, okay. And मैं मेरे को समझ नहीं आया because I've never seen this. ठीक है, I have not seen people taking drugs. I have not seen what it feels like to transport it. Like, who sees all this stuff? Like nobody knows about it also. So I was just like, what am I watching? So they took these balls of, you know what? I can't say it, but they gagged it down their throat and transported it through countries. And then they took it out in a strainer and then they cooked in that strainer. Even right now, when I'm talking about it and I'm thinking about it, I'm just like, that's just too disgusting for me. So first episode में देखा, I was like, maybe they're doing it for the impact, no? So that's why, like, a lot of people will see it, a lot of people will view it, वो आएंगे, वो देखेंगे. Maybe इस वजह से they had put this scene. Every episode there was something bullshit going on. Somebody was cutting Nate Jacob's toe, somebody was cutting his finger. Then Cassie is also a character, by the way. She just started her OF, so they're showing her in a baby outfit in a dog pose like this with her ears high. And I'm just like, way to make it controversial, right? And do you guys remember when Cassie was like in that building scenario where she was like taller than the buildings? That is actually a Lana Del reference. I feel like क्योंकि Lana Del ने कर चुकी है, right? She's a very famous singer, guys, by the way. So she did a scene for her music video where she was taller than the buildings, and she went around like just like this to not kill anybody. And I was just like, that's such a good music video. I've not watched it. Lana Del Rey's music video is just. And when Cassie did it, she was showing in a mirror. There was just too much going on, right? And this show is so controversial, so controversial. मुझे लगता है, again, every actor has an issue with every other actor. मतलब कोई किसी के साथ फिल्म नहीं करना चाहता. There is another character. I don't know the actor's name, but I know the character's name. So her name is Jules. So in real life, she has a very big problem with Nate Jacobs, the Jacobs guy. So they both of them, like off screen, they have like a lot of drama going on, and they don't like to film together, but they have to film together because this is a show and they have to be professional. There's just too much things, and everybody doesn't like working with anybody. Okay, Let's talk about the main character, bro. Maddie Perez. Like, how can I forget this girl? Like, my gosh, her makeup, her heels, her dresses. Oh my god, like I'm a big fan, bro. I'm just gonna be very honest here. For her looks, for her makeup, for her dresses, I'll give her a 10 on 10. Literally a 10 on 10. Even her attitude, like, I loved that. But Euphoria killed it for me, Season 3 may the way they showed, Maddie, like she was an assistant who was working very hard but could not pay her, pay her money, her everything like that. And then she gave Cassie another chance in her life when Cassie had taken her ex boyfriend who was abusive, and her best friend married her, but she still accepted that best friend for her own monetary gain. But it just killed it for me. Like it just killed it for me. I adored Maddie in season 1 and season 2. I think every person did because of her dressing style, her attitude. Oh my god. Okay. And I was just like, I was a big fan. Okay. Because who would not like to look like her? And her name is Alexa, if I'm not wrong. Beautiful acting. Okay. I feel like her whole attitude, her aura, it just speaks for itself. And I really appreciate that. Apart from this, I think Lexi was also there. Lexi is the only only okay character in this whole season. Okay, because she's just like a normal girl who is just working for a production house and she's making films. She sometimes writes scripts. She gets a lot of opportunities, and she's the only sane person right now. I feel so. Okay, but what are my predictions for the ending of this series? I think all are going to die. Like I think सब मरने वाले हैं इधर. क्योंकि they literally killed off Nate. I just finished watching the last episode, like the second last episode, and Nate Jacobs is killed by a snake in a coffin, 6 feet under, alive. Don't get me started on it. What did I just watch? Like I got the creeps when I watched this scene. Okay, I think every episode में इन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा डाला है which gives me the creeps like crazy. I was just like, what the hell am I watching? Like, why am I watching this? But in this episode, I think it just went too far. So they buried Nate Jacobs alive, alive. Okay, I was just like, I was just like, oh my god, what is happening? Like, ठीक है, you buried someone alive, and then a snake went into it, and it killed Nate Jacobs of the show. Like, such a bad ending to this character. Even though he was not good in season 1 or season 2, he was abusive, he was arrogant, he was all of that. He did not deserve that ending. According to me, okay, according to me, I don't think he deserved any of that, but he got it. So yeah, in the final season, I think Rue will be killed off. I think Nate is already dead. I think Maddie could also be killed. Cassie will. I think she's gonna be killed too. I don't know. I think every character in this whole thing is going to die. Is my prediction, because I think they are genuinely trying to cut the show off. I don't know, okay, but it just gave me the creeps. Like it gave me the creeps to show. But it's entertainment, I suppose. Like when I watched a few scenes, like I think the story does make sense at the end, but I'm just like some parts are just unnecessary, just very unnecessary. So after the finale of this season, I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna just talk about the finale because I really do want to talk about Euphoria because Euphoria is an alternate world, right? And I just want to talk about the creator of the show, Sam Lam. Lam. Why am I calling him Lam? So sorry. Okay, Sam Levinson. I hope I'm speaking that right. I'm so sorry. Okay. So this guy created the show, and in the first and second season, I think the creators, the whole ideology of it, I think it was so epic, so amazing. I loved watching it. Season 3, I was just off the track. Or like I just didn't think these characters were the same in season 1 and season 2. And it just felt like a alternate universe. I think first and second season कोई और universe था, third season कुछ और universe था. But overall, I think they want to end this show. Is what I really think. They are literally trying to end this show because of its very weird character development and मतलब क्या ही हो रहा है show में. But anyways, y'all, I will be making another review over the finale, so please subscribe, like, and put on the notifications for my next video. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you. Please subscribe and like.